Hi, it's Michelle here. I'm here to talk about Notes on Nursing by Florence Nightingale. I'd like to brag about this book for a little while. It's going to be 150 years old next year in 2010. I think that's really amazing. 150 years old. So I was working in an institution where they had gone completely electronic, and nurses were spending a lot of time by the computers and less time by the bedside. And that seemed to be the topic of conversation. And I'm thinking to myself, how could nurses get back to the bedside? And I'm looking at the literature, and whose name keeps coming up? Florence Nightingale. Have I ever read a Florence Nightingale book? No, I hadn't. So about 3-4 years ago, I started reading her literature. And Notes on Nursing, which is going to be 150 years old, I still can't believe it's that old, had so much information about the fundamentals of care, the fundamentals of nursing, the fundamentals of patient assessment, and how we are the advocates of our patients. And it talked about really the basics of nursing care that maybe we are forgetting about. And I read the book, and some of the things were 150 years old, so I didn't understand it all. But I looked up things that were in here, and I'm like, how can I make other nurses read this too and really get enlightened on getting back to the patient and doing the right things for them. So I took a good hard look at this, and I was like, I can edit this. I can make it user-friendly. I can have new nurses understand this book again. I think we all need to take a look at ourselves, look at what Florence Nightingale has told us. It's really pretty amazing, and some of it's pretty funny also. So I call it like a student edition, where you can look up the terms in there that are maybe Old English. I put a glossary in there so you can understand the words. I asked focused questions, so even students can use it, or even professors could use it. So I took a little time putting that together for us, and I think it's very helpful. And I'm looking forward to reading her other textbooks and letters. And I hope you get a chance to look at it. And thank you for visiting.